Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi, and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we are making this cute little snowflake. It's a 2D snowflake and we learn how to make it in very easy, simple steps. Before we start, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. And let's start! The material required is very simple. We require just a plain paper. I'm using these two coins. One is a 5 rupee coin and one is a 2 rupee or a 1 rupee coin. Then we require some sketch pens and your scissor, stapler, and a small scale if possible, if you have it. So let's start. We have this rectangular paper. We will first make this rectangular paper into a square. To make it, we will just fold it from one corner and we'll make a crease, and the leftover paper we'll just fold it. We will cut this remaining paper. This extra sheet we will just cut this with the help of a scissor. And I'm removing this paper. Now this is the square paper which we require. This is the first step. Now the second step is to fold it into half. Now the third step, we will again fold it into half. Now what we will do is we will fold it diagonally, and we'll hold one side and we'll fold it diagonally. Now this folded side has to be on your right hand side and this open side on top and this pointed side at the bottom. So we have to make sure the closed pointed side at the bottom and this open side on top. Don't make this mistake, otherwise if you don't keep it on top, we will tend to make it all wrong. Just keep in mind that. Now I'm taking these two coins which I have. I'll keep them here and I'll keep them here to make a shape of a snowman. I'll first trace the first coin. We have to keep half the coin and we'll trace the shape. Then I will trace the shape of the other coin. Now what I have done is, this is smaller, this is bigger. And I will trace it. I'm not going till the end. We don't have to go till the end. Now I will make a cap of my snowman. Again, I'm not going till the end. And so we'll make a semicircle kind of a shape, this shape and this shape. Now here we will make a straight line. Now we'll take the help of a scale and here we'll make a straight line. And then a slanting line Now I will make one curve over here for the hand. Then I am making two slanting lines and a V to join them. And here I will make a shape of a heart. And my drawing is done. Now what I will do is, after I have done my drawing, I will use a stapler and I will put a staple over here, so that when I am cutting, my things doesn't move here and there. Okay? With the help of a scissor, we will cut this outline. Now if you are small, what you can do is, I'll just make it small. The hand, I'll make it a little small and I will increase the size of this. Now if you are small and you don't know how to use the scissor, you can take the help of some elder. Now what we'll do is, we'll just cut this. Make sure you cut it on the design and you cut this very nicely and neatly. Now we have cut this hole and removed the rest of the area. Now when we'll open it, something is left over here, so we will cut this part also. So we have cut this whole area. Now we'll open it and see the magic. This is ready. Is it? No. We will be making a pattern in it and I'll show you how. Now with the help of a pencil, now this is delicate, make sure you don't mess it. We'll make a pattern here. We'll make two eyes. We'll make a nose, a smiley. Here again we'll make the muffler and two buttons. So this you will repeat on every part. And we will use some sketch pens to color it. I'll just show you in one more. So whatever design and pattern you are making, you will make the similar one in the rest. Now we will start the colors. We'll use the sketch pens to color it. So the green and red will give a very beautiful combination. And it will also give that feeling of Christmas. I'll make the eyes with the black color. And my sweet little snowman is ready. I can also give a design over here. So you can create any design and any pattern in it. You can do this on opposite also. You can create this pattern on opposite with opposite colors. You can do it with similar colors. I'll just show you this. So I have done it with one snowman. We have to do it on rest of the snowman as well. Now it will look like this. I'll show you this one also. And our snowflake is ready. Isn't it easy? I know you all will enjoy making it. Do create it and share it with us. And of course, don't forget to check our 7-day Christmas challenge where we have made the Christmas tree, the star and rest of the decorations and ornaments. And of course, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Bye everyone. Take care, stay happy and stay safe.